guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle Patriotic wreath, perfect for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Veterans Day, or whatever you'd like. What you will need: I have an adorable sign that says USA for the center. This is optional, you don't have to have a center if you choose not to. I also have a wreath form that already has the chenille stems attached. I have 10-inch long Deco mesh in red, and then I have red, white, and blue 6-inch long Deco mesh. Scissors, chenille stems, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is raise all of my chenille stems because it just helps the process go by faster once you start placing the mesh on the ring. And next I'm going to take my Deco mesh, which I have cut them into 10-inch long pieces. I have the 10-inch wide Deco mesh that I'm going to use first. And then I have the 6-inch wide Deco mesh in red. And then I have a piece in white, another piece in white, and then blue. And I'm not going to place the mesh in the same order every single time. I like to mix up the order just to give the wreath a more fun and colorful look. And then I'm going to just scrunch in the center, just like that. Place it on the chenille stem, twist the chenille stem, and tuck it away. And when we're done, I'm going to flare out the mesh to make it even fuller. Alright, so we're going to get another bundle place. This time I'm going to start with the 6-inch wide white Deco mesh, and then blue. And then I'll take the 10-inch long red, and then the shorter red, and white once again. And then we're going to just scrunch in the center, just like that. And place it in the next chenille stem. So you can see changing the color just gives it a more colorful look. If you want to keep it the same color, the same order, every single time, you can definitely do that. It's completely up to you. And also, as you can see, I'm alternating the shorter mesh from side to side. That's just going to make the mesh look fuller. But if you want to just lie them flat on top of each other, you can do that option as well. But that will give you a smaller wreath. Alright, so I'm going to repeat the same steps with all of my other stems, making different bundles with the different color options. Again, you can use 10 different colors, 2 different colors. It's completely up to you. Alright, let's get some bundles placed and I'll show you what it's looking like. Alright, so you can see it's starting to look nice and full and cute. We are going to keep going. I'm about halfway done, so we'll get the rest done now. Alright, so now that I have all the Deco mesh placed, I'm going to separate the layers. Again, this is just going to fluff up the mesh a little more and give it a fuller, fluffier look. If you choose to keep it together, then you can do that as well. That's the great thing about it. You can make it your own and just have fun with it. Do whatever you'd like. So I'm just going to go ahead and flare out all of my mesh. Alright, that looks good to me. Now it's finally time to add our finishing touch, which is our adorable sign. It looks really cute without the sign as well, so you can definitely do that. But the sign was just so adorable, I decided to add it. So I'm going to cut off the top hanger, then I'm going to turn my sign over, twist 2 chenille stems together, and place it at the top, and 2 more for the bottom. I want to make sure the chenille stems are hanging off the side of the sign because this is how I'm going to attach it to my wreath. Alright, then I'm going to use hot glue and glue the stems in place. Just like that. Now it's time to add the sign to our wreath. So this is what it's looking like, and now we're going to add it to our wreath. So what you're going to do is push the mesh gently out of the way so that you can find the actual wreath form and twist the chenille stem around your wreath form. And then you're just going to take your mesh and shape it around your sign. So I'm going to repeat this step with all 4 chenille stems. And once I'm done, I'm going to make sure I shape the mesh around my sign so there aren't any gaps or spaces. So I have the sign attached and I'm just making any final adjustments, making sure I shape the mesh around my sign to avoid any gaps or spaces. It looks so cute and precious already. And you are all done. Cute, simple, and easy to make. You can add in additional embellishments if you choose to do so. Just have fun with it and make it your own.